Okay, guys, here's a quick one here. The proof of work campaign hosted by the Vertcoin community. Remember, Vertcoin was created in the year 2014. A proof of work coin with no ICO, no pre-mine, fair launch, and it is actually a coin that practices true decentralization, a coin that follows the real ethos of Bitcoin. Okay, so here we have Vertcoin Zealy task. In case you're not mining Vertcoin, maybe you're looking for another way to stack up some VTC. You can get it on the Zealy task. Okay, you can get some Vertcoin on the Zealy task. Approximately you can actually have between 100 to 200 VTC monthly. Okay, monthly. So here on the first task, it is indicated that you must have at least 100 followers. Okay, but I recommend that you grow your followers to up to 300 so that you won't be under much pressure to scale up. So what you have to do here is take a screenshot of your account and upload it here to claim your point. It is going to give you 3 XP points. 1 XP point is equals to 1 VTC. I think 1 VTC is equals to $0.07 right now. So it's a good way to start. I may not be explaining all the tasks because of time. I don't like lengthy videos, but I will be explaining the complex task. Okay, we have here introduce yourself on the POW Discord channel. Okay, you will have to join the Discord channel, introduce yourself, tell them why you joined the group and how you can contribute to the growth of Vertcoin. Okay, then screenshot your chat and upload the file here. Real quick is another one here, a post from Aslan. Aslan, a top community leader, a top community member, who made a post here. And all you just have to do here is engage. Okay, engage, reply, and then quote the post. Okay, what do you think about the Digibyte and the Vertcoin merge? What do you think about the merge? You may be seeing a whooping amount of XP points here, which can actually give you 500 VTC. But this is actually for those who can influence the listing of Vertcoin on top exchanges. Remember, Vertcoin is looking for fair listing. Okay, being a proof of work coin with no ICO, no treasury, they are looking for a fair listing on centralized exchanges. So if you can influence that or make it happen, if you can apply for Vertcoin listing and make it possible to list Vertcoin without listing fees, then you've got yourself some extra 500 VTC, and if possible, some accolades from the community members. We also have here another whopping amount of 100 VTC to be given to anyone who can influence a Vertcoin article. All right. So here is a quick one. Another one here is to make a branded profile picture of your X account, which means you have to create a Vertcoin branded profile pics, a profile pics that has Vertcoin logo. Make sure it's unique. Don't use any other person's own. Upload it. Upload it on your account. Make sure you use the profile pics for your account, and then all right. So these are the tasks. Other ones are pretty much easier. And then this place, you go here to submit your Vertcoin address. Okay, in case you don't have a Vertcoin address, all you just have to do is download Coinomi address, download it, and then paste it here, and then you submit. That's all. Then wait for your monthly pay. Make sure you come back here every day to check for new tasks. And in case you have not joined the Vertcoin X community or Discord community, check the link in the description below. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like, and don't forget to share. Thank you.